Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the most informed purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into a sibling rivalry that makes the Kardashians look tame. That's right, we're comparing the Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphone and the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G series. Let's start with the price, because, let's be real, we all want to know how much this tech is going to lighten our wallets. On the left, we have the Galaxy S22 strutting in at a cool $379. Meanwhile, on the right, the Galaxy A15 5G is like, hold my beer, and comes in at just $199. Reviewers generally feel that the S22 offers a lot of advanced features for its price, while the A15 is praised for being a great value for money. Next up, let's talk about those gorgeous screens. The S22 sports a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and 1080 by 2340 resolution. It's like staring into the eyes of a tech god. On the other side, the A15 5G comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, enhanced with Vision Booster and up to 800 nits brightness. Reviewers rave about the S22's display quality, calling it a 4K IMAX theater in your pocket, while the A15 screen is considered a really nice HD TV. Now, for all you Instagram influencers out there, let's dive into the cameras. The S22 boasts a whopping 50 megapixels camera with LED flash, perfect for capturing every pore on your face. Meanwhile, the A15 5G is like, hey, I've got a camera too, but doesn't exactly brag about the specs. Reviewers highlight that the S22 is perfect for professional-level photography, while the A15's camera is decent for everyday use. Let's talk battery life, because nobody likes being tethered to a charger. The S22 is like, I'll last you a good day, while the A15 5G is all about that super fast charging life. Reviewers appreciate the S22's reliable battery life, but rave about the A15's fast charging capabilities, which are a lifesaver for those who forget to charge their phones. And finally, let's sprinkle on some extra features. The S22 has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB Type-C 3.2. It's like the James Bond of smartphones. The A15 5G, on the other hand, brings Knox security to the table, making sure your data is safer than Fort Knox itself. Reviewers love the advanced connectivity options of the S22, while they praise the A15 for its robust security features. Overall, reviewers find the Samsung Galaxy S22 to be a premium smartphone with advanced features and excellent performance. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is praised for being a budget-friendly option with reliable performance and good value for money. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is like that rich, flashy cousin who's always showing off, while the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is the reliable, budget-friendly sibling who's got your back when you need it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below and let us know which phone you'd pick. Until next time, happy shopping and stay smart. Product links are in the description.